Nasa ating third quarter po. Pasensya na po at report tayo sa ating live.
Arvin, give it back.
Nawawala po. Nawawala. Pero re-receive ko na lang po. Kasig naman po.
Jaden. That's a trouble. Depano for 3. No. Rebound. Julio. Pass to DeAndre. Kick out. Depano. Jump shot. Basket. Bola rito ng Lasal. Melencio. Pass to Panaligan. Setting on the play. Pass to Melencio. Villarus. Pass to Melencio for 3. Short. Rebound by DeAndre. Pass to Jaco. Depano to DeAndre. Depano to Julio. Pass to Q. DeAndre short. Oopsie. I-repost ko na lang po ha. Nare-report ata tayo sa logo. Pasensya na po. Here comes number 24, running shot and gets the foul. Two shots para kay Montes. Manu. Second shot. No. Rebound. Jaden. Back to Villarus. Pass to Panaligan. That's a trouble. Depano, jump shot. 3-point. Pumahabol na po. Sa single digit na lang ang kalamangan ng De La Salle Zubel. Here comes Miliam Villaruz and gets the foul by Evo. Two shots for Liam Villaruz. First shot is good. First shot, or second shot rather. No. DeAndre. Ooh. Last 5 minutes sa ating third quarter. Steal. Jerwin Tan. Basket. And the first basket para kay Jerwin Tan. Pass to Montes, Melencio, back to Villaruz, to Montes. Montes, oy, good defense para sa Xavier. Steal by Brody, to Jerwin, pass to DeAndre. DeAndre attacking the basket. Uy, rebound. Brody, no good. Rebound by Jaden Lee. To Montes, munti ka na magawan. Pass to Jaden. Jaden with a strong drive. No good. Rebound by Titus. Titus to DeAndre. DeAndre to Depano. Depano to Jerwin. Oh, steal. It's a foul. Nakalusot si Montes. Basket count and 1 for Montes. (36-28) ang ating dalaan with the time remaining 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Shooting at the line, jersey number 24. That's Manu Montes. Manu, wala, rebound. Makakuha rito. Ayan na nagagawan, and that's a jump ball. Xavier School basketball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Jerwin, no good. Rebound by Brody. Brody, oh, steal by Liam Villaruz. Pass to Manu Montes, no good. Rebound by Depano. Depano, pass to Jerwin. Jerwin, kick out. Depano from elbow three. Bang! 3-point para kay Riley. Ayan na, baba na lamang sa single digit. 36-31. 5-point lead para sa De La Salle Isabel.
Galing pa sa side si Riley. Wala na sakit? Ha? Riley, better na? Wala na?
Pwede na raw.
Buti na lang.
Time out dito ang mga naka-green shirt. With the time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Paklisko, KYC.
Back to the ball game. Last touch. Yun. Handoff. Castro, binigay sa corner. Yun, back to Castro. To Montes. Setting on the screen. Montes for 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Julio. Or sorry, that's Felipe Go, rather. Jerwin. Back to Titus. Riley for 3. Another 3-point shot para kay Riley Yu. Oh, sorry, that's Riley Depano. 36-34, baba sa dalawang lamang at nakabawi dito si Manu Montes. Last 56 seconds. Titus, pass to Brody. Brody, back to Titus. Titus for 3. 3-point para kay Titus ng change favor. Lamang na ang home team. 38-37. In the time remaining, last 38 seconds. Shoutout po. Substitution, Jayco coming in. And jersey number 24 on the free throw area. Penalty po ang savior. Montes, he missed the first shot. Second shot, no. Rebound by Jayco. Here comes Jayco, nagmamadali. Jayco, nakalusot na naman. Basket is good para kay Jericho Yang. Ayan na, Yun. Pinigay. Pass to Yun. Last 19 seconds. 15 seconds left. Tumira sa tres. No! Rebound by Jayco. Yang nagmamadali. Jayco. Oy! Wala! Oopsie! And that's the end of our third quarter. Fisher score at 39. 38 in favor of the home team. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Nakabawi dito ang Xavier sa third quarter. Dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng game, ang fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang unang makakuha ng panalo ngayong taon sa ating pagsimula ng ating season ng ating Paya League 2026 season. This is the battle between the De La Salle Suburb versus the Xavier School 2014 under division.
Hard play!
Alright, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng De La Salle Isabela. Valencio looking for his teammate.
Hands up!
Pass to Jaden. Lee. Oh. Gets a foul by Arden Nico. Melencio looking for his teammate. Melencio, nagano pang mapapasahan. Oh, steal. Last touch. Same ball. And shoutout po kay Ma'am Aline and you and sa family you. Ayan na, Montes. Oh, sorry, that's Liam Villaruz. Basket count and one for Liam. One shot for a three-point play. Basket. Felipe. Pass to Titus. 4-3. In and out. Rebound by Felipe. Napitawan nga lang. Makuha ni Jaco. Yeng. Jerwin to Titus. Titus. Pass to Jaco. 2 seconds to shoot. Jaco for 3. Short. Bola rito ng Lasal. Manu, pass to Castro. To Liam. Liam to Castro. Castro from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Jaco. Jaco nagmamadali. Jaco spin. Pass to Titus. Stop up the key for 3. Ben! At nakasagot dito ang Xavier. 42-41. Change favor tayo. Oh! And that's a foul. Ayun na. Natanggap ni Jaden. Here comes Lee. Lee. Pass to Manu, to Jaden, behind the back. Jaden, spin. Bounce pass, Castro! Oh! Basket para kay Castro. Change favor. Uy! Nice fake for 3! Nakasagot ng 3 points si Riley. Paano? Oy! There's a foul. Number 2. That's Jaco Yang. Ay na, sino tatanggap? Pinigay. Oh! Naka-recover. Jaden with the steal. Lee. May tanga na bola. Depensa ni DeAndre. Pass to Manu. Montes. Back to Jaden. Pass to Castro. To Montes. Pinigay. Liam. Handoff. Melencio for 3. No. Good defense by DeAndre. You. May tanga ng bola. Pass to Depano. Back to you. You. To Jaco. And gets the foul. Ay, boss.
Ano? PM? Ikaw?
Ito sa akin, nakakapalang yung load eh. Na-double ko.
Karol, tumatapon talaga po.
Nag-save ako. Saan na?
Okay.
Oo, ang gamit ka.
Official score po natin. Check muna natin para na bago. Ay, hindi. Iba rin. 45-43. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle dito ng Xavier. Back to the ball game. Titus, running shot. Oh! Basket. Ayan na. Gets a foul.
Para sabay sila kabukas. Abangan nila.
Steal by Jaco. Yang. No call. Rebound by Felipe. No. Steal by Melencio. Melencio nagmamadali. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Here comes Jaco. Jaco to Depano. Depano, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by Liam. There's a foul. Handoff. Castro with a steal. for 3, no good. Rebound by DeAndre. DeAndre. Oh, steal. Jaden. Drop pass. Castro. And one. Basket count and one para kay Joaquim Castro. On shot for a 3-point play para kay Castro. DeAndre, handoff to Depano. Pinasa corner. DeAndre, floater, no good. Rebound by Jaden. And gets the foul. Penalty. Two shots para kay Jaden Lee. Basket. Tabla tayo sa 47. Second shot for Lee. Basket. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa De La Salle Subel. DeAndre, pass to Depano. Kick out. Jerwin to Titus. Oh, sorry, that's Yeng. Crossover. Yeng, running shot and gets the foul.
Go, Jacob!
Two shots para kay Jacob. Yeng. First shot is good. Tabla tayo sa 48. Hoy! Nabitawan. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Castro. Castro, nagmamadali. Castro, attacking the basket. Oh! Basket para kay Castro. Change favor, balik ang kalamangan ulit sa Lasal. Depano. Titus, 4-3. No!
Get the ball!
Rebound by Liam. Ayan na si Montes. Manu. Pass to Liam. Oh, it's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng Xavier. Depano. Hand off to Jaco. Pass to DeAndre. DeAndre to Jaco. Pass to Depano. Titus. Kick out. 5 seconds to shoot. DeAndre for 2. Bam! At nakasagot ang Xavier. Tabla ulit tayo. Oh! Oh, lala. Out of bounds. Wala rito ng Xavier. Ayan na. Felipe! Ay, shot para kay Felipe. Go. Balik ang kalamangan sa Xavier. Oh, steal! You! Pass to Riley. Depano setting on the screen. Depano. Oh, steal by Castro. It's a step in on the line. Time remaining 1 minute and 41 seconds. Mahaba-haba pa ito. Ayun na, pero malapit na tayo sa dulo. 52-50. DeAndre. Pass to Jacob. Yang. Cross. Steal by Joaquim. Ayun na si Castro. Nagmamadali. Castro. Oh! What a nice shot coming from Joaquim Castro. Jacob Yang. Pass to Riley. Depano to DeAndre. DeAndre binigay. Jacob pinasa. Felipe. No! Rebound by Jaden Lee. Pass to Manu. And gets the foul. Ayan na. Masusubuan sa free throw area. That is Manu Montes on the free throw area. Time remaining 1 minute and 4 seconds. First shot, no good. Ayan na. Nagmentes si Manu. Second shot for Manu Montes. Here we go. Oh! Basket by Rocky Manu. Balik ang kalamangan sa Lasal. DeAndre setting on the play. DeAndre pass to Depano. Riley setting on the pick. Riley to DeAndre spin. DeAndre too strong. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jacob. Jacob pass to Dep. Oh! Nakasagot si DeAndre. Ayan na. Ayan na po. Change favor. Lamang na ang Xavier. Jaden. Kinaldag. Tumira. Oy! Nakalusot si Jaden. Sagutan ng puntos. Ayan na. Xavier. Depano. May tangan ng bolan. Nakalusot. Pinigay. DeAndre. And that's a black and foul. Oy. Meron pa tayong natitirang 20 segundo. 55, 54. Time out. Lasal Zubel. Grabe. Grabe, sobrang intense na ating first game. Parehong ayaw magpatalo. Parehong gustong. At uhaw sa panalo ang magkabilang team. Tignan naman natin ang huddle naman ng home team, mga Team Xavier School. Yan, shoutout kay belated happy birthday. Yanni Barreto is watching. Yan. And kay Sir Billy Serafica. Nanonood natin live. Alright, back to the ball game. Last 20 seconds. 55-54. Bola rito ng Xavier School. Ayan na, mahaba-haba pa rin to. At malapit na tayo sa dulo. Riley, naglalabas ng bola. Sino tatanggap? Pinagay kay DeAndre. Here comes you. Pass to Titus. Fake. Back to DeAndre. DeAndre attacking the basket. At nakalusot si DeAndre. Wow. DeAndre you. Change favor. Lamang ang saver ng isa. Time out dito. Ang Lasal Zubel again. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging huddle ng mga naka-green shirt. Last 12 seconds remaining. Magka-overtime kaya? Or buzzer beater to? Tingnan natin. Last time out na ata dito ng Lasal. Tingnan natin kung masusunod ang kanilang plano. Alright, last 12 seconds. Sino ang mag-i-inbound? Bola. Montes ang maglalabas ng bola. Jayco ang didepensa ang savior dito. Ayan na, man-to-man defense. Let's go. Montes, ayan na. Pinibilangan na. Pinaasa kay Jaden. Back to Montes. Montes! Ay, in and out! Rebound by Jayco. Oh! Munti ka na! Grabe, umalog. Umalog lang no? Gets the foul. Meron pa tayo natitirang 3.3 seconds. On the free throw area. Jersey number 2. That is Jayco Yang. Masusubukan sa kanyang free throw shot. Isa lamang ng Xavier. Let's go. Jayco Yang, first shot. Oh, he missed that shot. Ayan na. Second shot para Jericho Yang. Or Jayco Yang. Oh! May timeout pa ang Lasal. What a nice shot there para kay Jayco. Dalawa lamang ng home team, 57-55. Last timeout na dito talaga ng Lasal. May pagkakataon pang tumira ng 3 or a quick 2 to tie the game. Grabe, sobrang intense ng labang ito sa pagbubukas ng ating season 2026. Okay, back to the ball game. 3.3 seconds remaining. Dalawa lamang ng Xavier. Tingnan natin kung mai-shoot or maitatabla ng Lasal Zubel or ang De La Salle Zubel ang laban. Montes ang mag-i-inbound. Sino titira? Ayan na. Binigay kay Joaquim Castro to Jaden for 3. Oh! Wow, muntikan pa yon. Kung sakali buzzer beater para kay Jaden pero hindi na ipasok. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first game this season. What a nice, intense game from both team. Grabe yun. Alright, our final score, 57-55. Panalo po ang ating Xavier School, ang home team. Congratulations and a nice game para sa Lasal Zubel. Wow. Alright, muli maraming pong salamat to all the parents na lagi nakasuporta at nagla-live na ating live game. Maraming pong salamat. Ayan, hanggang sa muli and God bless everyone. Shoutout po kala Ma'am Gina and Sir Erwin Tan. And syempre, nandito lang sila Ma'am Ali and you and the rest of the Xavier School parents. And also, ganun din ang Lasal Zubel by Sir Lavin Castro. Alright, magkita-kita po tayo. Shoutout din kay Sir Jasper Yeng is present. Ayan sila, the pamilya ni Gagi, ni Gray. Ayan, congratulations hanggang sa muli. God bless everyone. Shoutout din po. Ayan, the Go family as well. Sila Mami at Daddy. Hanggang sa muli po.